For these questions, we're going to write number sentences for each equation. An equation is just a number sentence that includes a variable. A variable is an unknown value, and it's usually represented by a letter such as X or Y. So let's look at some examples. On number 1, we have X minus 36 equals 16. X is the variable. X is the number we don't know what it is, but it does stand for a value, and it's a value that you could figure out. But what we're going to do is we're going to write 3 other sentences that are in the same fact family. So what we notice is first, we already have a subtraction sentence. So that means we can make 1 more subtraction sentence, and we can make 2 more addition sentences. Because for every fact family, you can have 2 subtractions and 2 additions. So let's think about what we know about fact families. We've talked a lot about how the largest value goes at the beginning of a subtraction problem. So since this X is at the beginning of the subtraction problem, we know it's going to be the largest value. Even though we don't know what its value is, we know it's larger than 36 and it's larger than 16. It's the largest. So since X represents the largest value in this problem, it also has to be at the beginning of this subtraction problem, but it has to be at the end of the 2 addition problems. And now we see that we still have the other 2 digits to worry about, 36 and 16. Well, since we're writing 3 different sentences, one of them already uses the 36 first and the 16 last. So if you flip those around, you can have another sentence that's X minus 16 equals 36. Again, we're going to use the 16 and the 36 in the addition sentences. So we have 16 plus 36 equals X. So for our last one, we're going to have 36 plus 16 equals X. So let's look at number 2. This time we have an addition problem. So that means we can make 1 more addition problem and 2 more subtraction problems. So let's think of what we know about addition problems. We know that the largest value goes at the end of an addition problem. Since 132 is at the end of this addition problem, it also has to be at the end of this one. But since 132 is the largest value, we know it has to go at the beginning of a subtraction problem. Okay, so now you've used this value and you have 2 more values in your fact family that you're going to fill into your number sentences. We already have 73 plus X, so for our second, let's make it X plus 73. 132, we could do 73 and X. So for this one, we would have to do X and 73. So you try some on your own, and if you need more help, you can come back and rewatch the video. Good luck!